Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn about list and keys. So list and keys are used whenever we needs to display data from the array of the items. You can see in this example we have this number array and we can map it with this one. And in React, to display this data in HTML form, we have to use this way. Let's copy this one and place it here, and we can use this number dot map to display this inside HTML. So you can see this is displaying in list. Now you have noticed we have this error message coming in console. So why this is coming? Because we don't have provided any key to the items. In our this scenario, the key is only number, so we have used this as X. In case our data is object type, for example objects, and in that scenario in object case we have to use same way. Here we can say y of arrow function, and here we have to select display property here, and for key we can use y.id, and this id should be unique. And in your case, if you think this id can be duplicated, like 1, so in that scenario what you can do is just add index and do this way. So in this way it will also work. If you refresh, then there will be no error. So that's it for arrays, and if you have any questions or queries, then you can ask in the comment section.